Hello dear students, welcome to Royal Palace PU College online classes. Dear students, in the previous session we have discussed about the topic that is the derivatives of an implicit function. So before that implicit function we had learnt about the chain rule. Okay, now today in this session we shall start with an important concept that is for 3 marks. In the annual examination it may occur for 3 marks. That question we shall start. That is nothing but our differentiation of inverse trigonometric function. Inverse trigonometric function means sine inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse, cot inverse, secant inverse and cosecant inverse. Okay, now first of all we don't know the formula related to all this thing. Okay, we are knowing differentiation of sin x, cos x, trigonometric function we are knowing the differentiation. We are knowing the differentiation of algebraic function. But we don't know the formula for first of all differentiation of inverse trigonometric function. That we shall solve first. Okay dear students, so I will solve only the 3 parts. Okay, that is the differentiation of sine inverse, tan inverse and secant inverse, and the remaining things you can solve on your own. Okay, that we shall look here. So first of all, find the derivative of y equal to sine inverse of x. Y equal to sine inverse x. It is a very simple problem that we shall examine now. Okay, fine. Now here first of all there are 2 methods of solving this particular question. One is by making use of the exact definition of the differentiation by making use of limits and all. Limit as x tends to a f of x minus f of a divided by x minus a, that particular formula we can make use of and we can solve it. Otherwise we can solve it directly by making use of composition of function. Let us examine that one. For example, y equal to what we have, sine inverse of x ಅದ. ಈ ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ y equal to x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, that is nothing but sin y equal to x. Already this term you had learnt in inverse trigonometry chapter. Now here sin y, differentiate with respect to x now. Okay, differentiating with respect to x, what we get, sin y differentiation ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ cos y. Further differentiation of y becomes dy by dx. Okay, now here one differentiation with respect to x will be 1, that is dx by dx, it is 1 only. Now what I will do is I will rewrite this dy by dx equal to 1 divided by cos y. Okay, you can take it as equation number 1 here. Now dy by dx I require everything in term of x only, that is independent variable x only here. So what I can do here, we know that sin square x plus cos square x equal to the value is 1. Similarly, so instead of x I will write here y here. Sin square y plus cos square y is equal to 1 here. That means here cos square y is equal to 1 minus what you can write, sin square y, or else cos y equal to root of 1 minus sin square y I can write here. Here I will take it only positive terms. Now here what we get here, that implies dy by dx value will be, which is equal to 1 divided by root of 1 minus sin square y. Now according to equation number 1, okay, equation number 1, sin y value is x here. Therefore dy by dx value will be 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square, because sin y equal to x here, because sin y equal to x. That is a required formula. Okay, very simple term. Now this is about the formula related to our y is equal to sin inverse x. You can take it as homework this part, that is find derivative of y equal to cos inverse of x. Everything will be same. You will get the formula as dy by dx equal to minus of 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. Everything, all steps will be same. And here, okay, this is differentiation of cos inverse of x. Now here everything will be same. You have to make use of this same particular formula here. Then you require to solve it. Okay, now we shall move on with the next example. Okay, that is second one. Find the derivative of y is equal to tan inverse of x. Okay, tan inverse of x, that we shall solve now. Okay, fine, same as it is. So first of all I will take y is equal to tan inverse of x, that implies here tan y equal to x here. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. So what we get here, tan y differentiation is secant square y. Okay, further differentiation of y becomes dy by dx, which is equal to x differentiation will be 1. Now what I can do here is dy by dx is equal to 1 divided by secant square y. Okay, now same as it is, formula we require to find, that is nothing but here. Now what is the formula for that we shall examine. We know that secant square x equal to 1 plus tan square x here. Instead of this x I can take theta, I can take any values here. Okay, trigonometric ratio formulas. So here what we get, I will take it as y here only. So that means here I will substitute this value here, that is nothing but here dy by dx equal to, okay, dy by dx equal to 1 divided by 1 plus tan square y, which is equal to, okay, but from equation number 1, okay, but from equation number 1, what is the tan y value? It is x. So what I can substitute here, which is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Therefore d by dx of tan inverse of x value will be 1 divided by 1 plus x square, 1 divided by 1 plus x square. That is a required result. Okay, that is a required result asked. Okay, now here similarly you can try for derivative of cot inverse of x, derivative of cot inverse of x. Okay, it's everything will be same, only in the place of plus you will have minus, that is minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square, that is the derivative of cot inverse of x. Very simple thing. Now let us move on with the next one, the third one, that is find the derivative of y equal to secant inverse of x. Okay, I will rewrite once again. Okay, now y is equal to what we have, secant inverse of x. If I take secant on the LHS side, what we have, secant y equal to x. Now differentiate this both with respect to x. Secant, what is the differentiation of secant? Secant into tan, that is nothing but here secant x. Okay, we are having secant y into tan y, into further differentiation of y becomes dy by dx by making use of chain rule or differentiation of composite functions. Here x differentiation is 1 here. Now same as it is dy by dx value, dy by dx value is 1 divided by secant y, okay, secant y into what we have, tan y into tan y. Since we are knowing the formula, what is that, secant y here it is value is x, I can substitute it easily, but tan y what I can do here is tan square y equal to secant square y minus 1. Okay, that in terms, okay, what I require here is, okay, secant y I require, that is secant y. Okay, secant y is equal to x, tan y equal to or tan square y equal to secant square y minus 1. Here tan y value will be what it is, root of secant square y minus 1. Okay, secant square y minus 1. So in the place of tan y I will substitute here root of secant square y minus 1. So what we get here, that we shall examine, that is 1 divided by secant y into root of secant square y minus 1. Now what is the value for the secant y? Secant y value is nothing but x here, that I will substitute here. So what we get, which is equal to 1 divided by x into root of x square minus 1, because what is the reason here, because secant y is equal to x, that is the required result. So therefore what we get here, dy by dx value will be 1 divided by x into x square minus 1. That is a required formula to find out what, the derivative of secant inverse of x. Now the last one, that is the last one, cosecant inverse of x. Okay, cosecant inverse of x formula, everything will be same. Instead of this plus, we will have here minus. Okay, that is d by dx of cosecant inverse x equal to minus 1 divided by x into root of x square minus 1. That is the required result. Okay, dear friends, it is a very simple example. Now we shall recap all the formulas just now what we have discussed. Okay, one by one we shall examine here. The first one. Okay, now let us take it as first y, then dy by dx. That is function and its derivative. The first one is sine inverse of x. What is the differentiation of sine inverse of x? Okay, just now we had seen 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. Okay, that is sine inverse of x. Then cos inverse of x, it is minus 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. Very simple thing. Sine inverse of x 1 divided by, cos inverse means minus 1 divided by same thing. Then we are having tan inverse of x. Okay, tan inverse of x, the differentiation will be 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Similarly, cot inverse of x value will be minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square. It is very easy to remember, since we can observe that sine inverse, cos inverse similarity, tan inverse, cot inverse similarity, and then at last, okay, at last we are having, that is nothing but here secant inverse. Secant inverse, that is 1 divided by x into root of x square minus 1. These are very simple examples. X square minus 1. And the last one, that is cosecant inverse. Okay, cosecant inverse x formula, that is cosecant inverse of x. X, its formula will be same as it of secant, but it is minus here. That is minus 1 divided by x into root of x square minus 1. Okay, dear students, now the formula related to all these things we have discussed. Now you have to take the homework of your cos inverse x, cot inverse f, and cosecant inverse of x. You have to try. Okay, then only you can understand it very clearly. Okay, these are all about what? Differentiation of inverse trigonometric functions. Now these are all the formulas which you have to remember throughout. Okay, add this in your formula list related to our differentiation. Okay, dear students, now we shall continue with our problems, okay, related to this differentiation of inverse trigonometric functions. Let us move on with the directly exercise problems. Okay, the exercise number 5.3, differentiation of inverse trigonometric functions. Trigonometric functions. Differentiation of inverse trigonometric functions. Okay. Now, it is a very simple example here. Now we shall solve it. So the first problem we shall see here. Whatever the problems we are solving it right now, these are all very important examples for 3 marks that will be asked in your annual examination, or it has been asked in your previous year question paper also. The first one, or else find dy by dx. The heading, find dy by dx of the following. Okay, it is a little bit different kind of problems. Just pay a little bit attention here. The first one, okay, y equal to, we are having tan inverse of 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square, where he has given the range of x, that is domain of x 1 by root 3 less than x less than 1 by root 3. It is a very simple example. Just before solving it, okay, here such kind of examples also we can make use of here, taking tan inverse here, then afterwards we can solve. But to make the things very simple, we are having just a very simple formula here. That is, we will substitute here. Put x equal to tan theta. Okay, if x equal to tan theta, that implies theta value will be tan inverse of x. This you have to remember. If x is equal to tan theta, okay, then what will be the value for here theta? It will be tan inverse of x. Now substitute this value here. So what we get, y is equal to tan inverse of 3x. Okay, so what we get here, 3 tan theta, 3 tan theta, then minus tan cube theta whole divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Now what it is nothing but a formula. Okay, it is nothing but a formula to find what it is, that is tan inverse of tan 3 theta formula it is, which you had learnt in your first PUC. Okay, tan 3 theta formula, the whole thing is tan 3 theta formula. Okay, now we can observe tan inverse of tan, that is nothing but here 3 theta. So what we get, y. So therefore y equal to 3 into theta. Now what is this theta value? Theta value just now we had seen, that is nothing but here 3 into tan inverse of x. Now we can observe that a complex problem, okay, very complex problem has been converted into very simplest form by making use of just one single substitution. Okay, but the main question is find the dy by dx. Therefore we have to find the derivative here. Okay, now what we can do here, differentiate, okay, with respect to x on both sides. So y differentiation will be dy by dx equal to 3 into d by dx of tan inverse of x. What is the formula for tan inverse of x? That is nothing but here 3 into 1 divided by 1 plus x square. That is the required result. It is a question for 3 marks, an important question it is. Okay, dear students, it was a very simple problem. Now let us move on with the next problem. Okay, the second question. The second question is, if y equal to cos inverse of, okay, cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square, where the value of x he has given 0 less than x less than 1 here. Okay, now what we require to substitute here? Here also if you are putting here, put x equal to tan theta. If I put x equal to tan theta, that implies what will be the theta value? Tan inverse of x. Okay, then now just we have to substitute here. So what we get, y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus tan inverse, sorry, it is nothing but tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Now what formula it is? It is a formula for your cos 2 theta, which is nothing but here cos inverse of cos 2 theta. So cos inverse cos get eliminated. So what is the remaining part? 2 theta. Therefore y is equal to 2 theta. Now just to differentiate it with respect to theta here. Now what is the reason here? Because cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Now you can differentiate it. Differentiate with respect to what it is? With respect to x here. But what is the theta value here? Okay, but what is the theta value here? Theta value, okay, I will continue here. That is y is equal to 2 into theta, which is equal to 2 into cos inverse of x. Okay, no sorry, y equal to what we have? Tan inverse of x. Y equal to tan inverse of x. Differentiate, okay, both sides, differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So what we get now? That is dy by dx equal to 2 into d by dx of what we have? Tan inverse of x. ಈಗ tan inverse of x differentiation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 2 divided by 1 plus x square. That is nothing but here dy by dx. That is a required example. Okay, very simple example it is. Okay, dear students, these are the two problems. Now let us continue with the next problem. Okay, the next problem, it is here, if y equal to cos inverse of, okay, 2x divided by 1 plus x square. 2x divided by 1 plus x square for here minus 1 less than x less than 1. Now, how we require to solve it? Very simple example here. Now, what we have to substitute? We know the formula, that is sin 2 theta formula. Sin 2 theta formula will be 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, we know this formula. We know this formula means in the place of x I will substitute here tan theta. Okay, it is everything in terms of formula here, that we shall put here. Put x equal to tan theta. That implies theta value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ tan inverse of x. So what we get here, y is equal to cos inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, since we are having the formula here, this whole thing becomes tan 2 theta, which is equal to cos inverse of sin of 2 theta. Now here I can't separate the x theta value here. So what I can do here is cos inverse of, can I write it as cos of pi by 2 minus of 2 theta. Okay, cos of pi by 2 minus of 2 theta, that is nothing but here eliminates what is the remaining part, pi by 2 minus 2 theta. So what we get, it's the value for y here. Very simple example. Okay, now you can differentiate. So before differentiating, pi by 2 minus 2 into theta, what is the theta value here? Tan inverse of x, that is y equal to. Now you can differentiate with respect to x. That implies, so here y becomes dy by dx equal to, it's a constant here, constant differentiation will be 0. It is very important, constant differentiation will be 0, minus 2 into tan inverse of x differentiation is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So what is the answer here? Minus 2 divided by 1 plus x square. That is the required result. Okay, now let us move on with the another problem. That is, if y equal to sin inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square. Okay, root of 1 minus x square, where minus 1 by root 2 less than x less than 1 by root 2, that is the domain it is given. Okay, now we require to solve it. Now what actually we can do here, that we shall observe. We know the formula, that is nothing but here sin 2 theta formula. Sin 2 theta formula will be 2 sin theta into cos theta. So here if I put here x is equal to sin theta, put x equal to sin theta, that implies theta value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, theta is equal to sin inverse of x here. So what will happen here, y is equal to sin inverse of 2 sin theta into root of 1 minus sin square theta. Now here, okay, now here what is the value for 1 minus sin square? Cos square root. What is the part we get? That is nothing but here sin inverse of 2 sin theta into cos theta. So we are knowing the formula here, because sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta, the value will be sin inverse of sin of 2 theta. Hence what we get here, 2 theta. The value for y will be 2 theta. Now which is equal to 2 into theta means what here? That is sin inverse of x. So therefore dy by dx value, what is the dy by dx value here? 2 into, okay, sin inverse of x differentiation is root of 1 minus x square. That is your required result. Okay dear friends, it was a very important problem asked in your question paper. Okay, now please pause the video to note it down. In the next class we shall start with the remaining things. Thank you.